Hi Paul. Hi Thomas. Actually, I got your email and I understand your meaning. Then, first of all, I try again. I try again. Actually, this is TBS Mini 1, 2, 3, and then receiver 1, 2. Okay, and then I try again. Okay. See that? Okay. I try again. And then, as you advise, I have to remove the rid of the server probe coming from the ESC. So this is a ESC sub wire, okay, and then red wire I can remove, okay, that this one remove, and then I try again. Okay. After that, use the battery for powering the receiver. This is a BEC, like the connect between battery and receiver. Okay, receiver. Okay. This is a battery. Okay, and then receiver battery B. Okay. I connect that, and then I try again. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. When I connect the BEC like this, BEC from battery and the receiver B, and that doesn't work. You understand? So I don't understand how to do that. So one more time. The B. So I don't understand how to connect with battery and receiver. I don't have no idea. I have no idea. This is battery, and then I have no idea. So if like this one, and then I try again, it doesn't work. So I don't understand. This is a BEC, like the connect between battery to receiver directly, powering, but it doesn't work. So I don't understand what's going on. This is a receiver, and then if I have something wrong to connect with TBS Mini and receiver, please let me know how to connect, and then it can work for sound.